Furniture store. As we all know, furniture store encounters a variety of challenges while selling products to a different markets. Each has their own set of requirements. Let's consider an example of furniture store to understand the situation better. My friend Raj has his own furniture store that sells items such as sofa set, dining table, tables, cupboards, and chairs. He has been running his business for the past 5 years, but recently we met and he told me about the significant decline in his business. When we discussed for the root cause, then he shared some of the challenges that he has been facing. First challenge he encountered that as modern customers require modern solutions, and Raj wanted to establish his own e-commerce platform where his customers can visit and place the orders by themselves from anywhere at any place of time. Second challenge he encountered that it is difficult for him to manage the inventory effectively as he has a huge inventory with various styles, size and colors. So it is difficult for him to manage huge inventory. Third challenge he encountered that sometimes he gets an order from the customer regarding the customization of the existing products as per their need. And due to which Raj needs to modify the products to fulfill the customer need. Last thing, selling products in bundles is also a challenge for the Raj Furniture Retail Store, where he needs to optimize the inventory and track the inventory accurately so that right combination of products should be available. So after discussing these challenges, I proposed him to use Odoo. So let's jump into the Odoo database and see how these challenges can be overcome. So this is the Odoo homepage where we can see number of applications. So first of all, we will begin with the e-commerce platform. So this is the website for Raj Furniture Store where customer can visit and shop for their products. First of all, customer needs to sign in if he is a regular customer, or customer needs to do the sign up. So customer needs to navigate to shop where customer can see a different type of products based on different categories and variants. Customer wants to purchase first product cafeteria chair with a black color and medium size and add it to a cart. Another product customer wants to purchase as office chair. Once customer adds this product to the cart, then he can see some optional products are there. And if the customer wants to purchase a table along with the chair, then he can add it to a cart, otherwise continue for a shopping. And the third product is cardboard. Once the customer selects this product, and on the bottom of this, customer can see another product which can be replaced with the cardboard. That is a wooden cardboard. And go for a cart. Once all the products has been added in the cart, then customer need to do the checkout by adding the address and doing the payment. After making the payment, order has been done and updated in the Odoo database. We can see this order in two ways from the Odoo database. First one, we can simply go to website, e-commerce and orders. Here only those orders will be visible which has been submitted from the website. So this is the order that has been submitted from the website. Then other ways, we will simply go to sales application, go to orders. At the top of this is the order form where we can see the order that has been submitted from the website. Here the customer details and the product details has been updated, and on the right side of this there is a checker box where we can see the mail content that has been shared with the customer along with the product details and the order print format. To validate the delivery of this order, either store manager can navigate from here to the delivery order, or can go from inventory, operations, and deliveries. So here the delivery manager or store manager can see that delivery order has been updated, and once the product has been available, then he can simply validate. And on the sales application, we can see that delivered quantity has been updated. Okay. So next case is, suppose the customer wants to get a code for any of the product, then he can simply submit this website form. Once the code has been submitted, then it will be updated in the CRM application as a lead. So here we can see lead has been generated along with the details of the respective customer or the person, and from where the lead has been generated. Once the lead has been qualified, then it will be converted into the opportunity. And from there we can send the quotation to the respective person. So from here we can send an email to the customer for the respective quotation. Before sending the email, you have to make sure that everything has been entered correctly. The product name, quantity, and the price and the text, everything is entered correctly, and we can send the email. Once the email has been sent, you can see the status of the quotation has been changed from quotation to quotation sent, and on the right side of this, the chatter box, mail content has been seen. Once the quotation has been confirmed, then it will be converted into the sales order and the delivery order and so on. Another application that I propose in is a point of sale. So this is a user interface of point of sale where we can see a different type of products based on the product categories. And from here, he can sell the items individually or in combos. We will see it, how we can do it. So here I have the customer, and he wants to purchase a cafeteria chair, and also he wants to purchase a sofa chair with a center table. So I will simply select the sofa set of 5-seater. Here you can see center table has been added automatically because we have configured the product combos at the back end. Let's proceed for a payment. So on the payment section, you can see there is the option of ship later. Either we can do the delivery directly, or we can do it after 2 or 3 days as per our preference. There can be numerous reasons for the ship later. Either we do not have a sufficient storage for that product, or the customer wants to get the delivery after 2 or 3 days, or there might be a chance that we do not have a vehicle right now or the labor to do the delivery. So in those cases, we can do a ship later. Suppose we want to do a delivery after 1 day, confirm it and validate. So on the back end, we can see in the delivery section that delivery order has been created but not confirmed yet. So here you can see the scheduled date is for tomorrow as we have selected on the point of sale. Once all the terms and conditions has been fulfilled, then we can validate this and the product has been delivered to the respective customer. Another case is when he gets the order of the customization of the products. In that case, we can use subcontracting. Subcontracting includes two parties, contracting company and a subcontractors. It gives both benefits to both the parties. In subcontracting, we have to provide our components to the subcontractor and he will refurbish that product and supply it back to us. So we will start it from the sales application. Suppose the customer wants to purchase designer bed. In which he wants to do some modification like design a light So we will save it and confirm this order. Once we confirm the sales order, on the top of this you can see purchase button has been appeared. We can redirect from here, or purchase manager can navigate from the purchase application and see the order has been placed. Once we confirm this, then on the top of this you can see resupply button has been appeared. Resupply means when we supply our components to the subcontractor. So in this case, store manager needs to do the transfer of the material. Before that, I want to show you that in the delivery section, the status of the delivery is waiting another operation. Means we are waiting for the product in our warehouse. Before that, we can't do the delivery. Let's transfer this product to the subcontractor. Once we get the confirmation from the subcontractor that product has been delivered, then we can receive it in our warehouse and validate this. Once the product has been received in our warehouse, then we can do the delivery. Now you can see the status has been changed to ready from waiting for another operation. We can simply validate this. And on the sales application, we can see that quantity delivered has been updated. Another case is, suppose the customer wants to buy a chair. Let's check in the inventory that do we have a chair in our stock or not. So here you can see we do not have a storage or capacity for, we do not have sufficient stock in our warehouse for a chair. We will simply go to sales application. Suppose a customer wants to purchase 5 chairs. Once we confirm this, then you can see the purchase has been initiated. We will purchase it directly from the third party vendors and fulfill the need of the customer. After validating this delivery order, the delivery quantity has been updated successfully. The last case is when we have to sell the products in bundles, in packages, I can see. Suppose a customer wants to purchase sofa set of 5-seater, but his condition is he wants to purchase only 3-seater and single-seater sofa. So let's jump into the inventory and see the stock. So here we have a stock of 30 for single seat and 29 for triple seat. So we can simply do the delivery of this product. We have selected 3 plus 1 plus 1 as per the demand of the customer. When we confirm this, then on the inventory, deliveries. So here you can see 2 products has been visible, 1 quantity from triple C, 2 quantities from single C. So you will simply validate and check the stock. Now you can see 2 quantities has been reduced from single C and 1 quantity has been reduced from triple C. So we have a different reports for our product stock, move history, that from which location to which location product has been moved. If it is in a green color, then we receive the product. If it is in red color, we move it out from the stock. Apart from this, we also have a dashboards where you can see a different dashboards based on different modules. Quotations, order, revenues, everything is available. And we also have the filtration for this. You can use these filters and based on those filters, everything has been filterized. You can also make your own dashboards by creating a spreadsheets. see one example for that. Suppose you want to add this into spreadsheet, confirm it. So once a spreadsheet has been created, then from the dashboard, you need to go to configurations, dashboards. So where you want to show those spreadsheets, you can simply open that module, add the spreadsheet. If you want to publish it in the dashboard, you can simply enable it and save it. On the dashboard, you can see it has been visible. So accordingly, you can create your own dashboards by adding a spreadsheet in the respective reports, modules, or schemes. So we have seen that how Odoo makes a transformation of the furniture industry business. After implementing Odoo in the Raj Furniture retail store, he got some turning points. First of all, he gets an e-commerce platform which has been available for the customer by 24/7. And by using Odoo as a robust inventory management software, store managers can use and do a real-time tracking of the stock of the products and fulfill the orders on time. By using subcontracting process, he is able to use specialist skills, technology and machinery and fulfill the demand of the customer as per their need. The last thing, most of the retail store does not have a sufficient capacity, storage capacity to keep all type of products. In those cases, he can simply purchase it from a third-party vendors and deliver it to the customers. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you so much.